Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and to my new viewers, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. Today's recipe, guys, is pumpkin chickpea curry. Like, it's pumpkin season, so let's make some pumpkin meal. Stay back and enjoy watching. So guys, this is the ingredient for today's recipe. I am going for my leftover Hokkaido pumpkin, which is a little bit yellow orange in color, and then I'm going for my quick chickpea, which is already been cooked soft. You can find in can or however it's being packed. I really don't think you want to go for the dry one. That would take you the all day to cook. And I also have my fresh tomato. I have a coconut milk, I have curry powder, turmeric, I have a tomato paste, Babyspinat, and also have my bunch of coriander, fresh one, garlic leaf. You can find the exact ingredient will be found in the description box, guys. And then I will also go ahead and peel my pumpkin. This Hokkaido is almost like the smallest pumpkin, but it's so hard, so hard in flesh. I've just peeled it, and then I'm going to use a spoon to scoop out the seed. Depending on how thick you want your pumpkin to be, the size. So I just cut this small into a cube, and we have like 800 grams. Next, I am then going to slice my onion in brunoise shape. After the prep, I am going to introduce some amount of olive oil on my preheated pot. You can go for any oil of your choice, like coconut oil or any flavor of oil of your choice. Next to the oil is my curry powder and turmeric powder. Introducing this first will boost the flavor of your curry, and then I added my onions and saute. Please do not allow it to get burned, if not you will have a bitter curry. And then I also added my pressed garlic at this point. Saute and add in your sliced chili. You can season with chili according to your taste. I also added some chili powder and my tomato paste. After which I have still cooked for about 1 minute, I am going to introduce my diced pumpkin. Next is my liquid. I am going for plain water. You can go for vegetable broth or whatsoever broth you wish to go for. Season with some salt and then cover to cook for some minutes. After about 8 minutes, to know how soft your pumpkin looks like, use a fork and stab in, and this one is all well done. I am then going to serve a portion of it aside without matching everything together, because I'm going to match it with a hand matcher. I wouldn't want everything to be that puree, because this is also going to serve as a thickener. And then I will introduce my chickpea. Like, since I got this chickpea, I'm so happy. This already cooked one. I've cooked chickpea for about 20 times. I've never gotten it. It's never soft, never. Even if I soak about 24 hours, I will still have to cook 3 hours. It's never been soft, not more than twice. So I'm happy to go for this one today. And then I introduce my coconut milk and give it a taste and still season a little bit with some salt. I needed some salt, so I added one. Cover up to cook for just no less than 4 minutes, and this is what it looks like. I am going to introduce back the set aside pumpkin. The moment you introduce your baby spinach, turn off the gas. The heat is going to cook your spinach, and that shows you are almost ready to plate. Like guys, in Dutch we call this meal Vitaminbombe. Es ist so ein einfacher, gesunder Essen, such an easy, fast, healthy meal. It's vegan and vegetarian. It's easy one. So I just added some lemon juice. You mustn't go for lemon juice. And then introduce my coriander. Coriander is not everybody's taste, so if you do not like coriander, please go for basil. And also this is the finished look. It's so yummy and creamy. I am dishing with some rice. Thank you so much for always tuning in, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video, and don't forget to like and leave your comment down below. Bye for now.